How to build a presentation in Sway Part 2. Microsoft Sway tutorials. We've already shown you how to make a presentation using Sway. Now we're going to update that content and transform it into a new layout that's optimized for presentations. Let's get started by creating a new Sway. Go to Navigation and select the third one down. I'd like to start by using some heading cards to help define the text on the main slides of the presentation. I like to use emphasize to draw attention to important words or phrases on each slide. I really want the text to stand out in this first paragraph, so I'm going to move it to its own text card and emphasize the whole thing. And we can really see the difference formatting makes when we play our presentation. I like to present using great images that really tell the story and then add a little bit of text for focus. Yeah, okay, cool. Sway thinks high-res images are great too. In fact, when I search for images, I can see the resolution right here. Super helpful in the layout. I've chosen for this Sway my background. Images take up the full screen and Sway. Make sure that your presentation looks great across screens and devices. Let's talk about groups. As I add content to the storyline, I group it to make sure that it shows up together in the presentation. These 7 images show up together on the same screen because I've grouped them. Here's another example. I have a few photos and some text describing the filmmaking process, and the automatic group will add a cool animation to your content. Here are 4 images, and each one has a caption. I'm going to select these images and make them a group. Then choose Grid. I like this structured layout and the way it highlights my captions in this image. I want the teacher's hand to be the focus, so I select the image and choose focus points by selecting a focus point Sway. Now dynamically repositions the image to make sure what's important stays in focus. I want this whole graphic to be visible, so I click on the focus points and check entire image is important. Now I can see the whole image when I play the presentation. By clicking or tapping the play button, you can see your presentation in full screen mode with the content. For each grouping animated, you can move forward or backward or restart the presentation with full screen images. Simple animations and intuitive grouping Swayzy. New layout is perfect for your next presentation. Check out the other videos in this series by clicking on the thumbnails. Hopefully these videos will inspire you to try out Sway and share your own story. Thank you for watching us.